going on, guys? It's your boy Mini Moto. Today it's just gonna be a quick little video. I'm just taking my buddy's BT 200X down the road, and I thought, why not? I got a new mic set up, so this will give me an idea of if that mic setup is better than the last one, because the wind noise in all my videos drives me crazy. So yeah, we're just gonna take this around the block and see how it goes. So kill switch, fuel is on. Oh, she runs like a champ. Alright, let's do a lap around the yard before we go take her on the road, see what she can do. It's supposed to be making that noise. I guess it's a mini bike. It's got like 3 different chains on it. I think we can find my ditch. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, I don't have a mirror. Well, it's super buzzy. We're not gonna go far. I'm not going around the block on this thing. I'm just gonna turn around up here. To be on the road. My hands are going numb riding this thing. Yeah, this is just like riding a pressure washer. So I think the only thing he's done to this is I know we de-restricted it. Let's go check out over here. Now we de-restricted this, so I know the first time I rode it, it was like, you know, it'd go bad, you know, it'd rev up and then die, and rev up and die, and rev up and die, because it had a governor on it. So, you know, it would just say no. You can't go this fast. They're gonna blow me up. All right, well, let's see how she fast tracks. Oh, she slid. This is the Mini Moto Grand Prix. Lean that thing in. Give her gas. Give her gas. Give her gas. Brake, brake, brake. Lean her in. Lean her in. Give her some gas, give her some gas. Gas, 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 brake. Oh, that's tiring. Let's do it again. I dig it though. This thing handles like a champ. Oh, a little too wide, a little too wide. Alright. Well, I'm gonna stop before I break his shit. This thing's sick. I need to get me one. Where's the damn kickstand? There it is. While I'm making this, let me just say a little update on the Champion. I broke one of my valve covers. I got new valve covers for it already, but I was only able to order them in red. So I got to paint those, or else my bike's going to be looking like a Christmas tree. Decided why not. Let's just take the little Coleman out and see what she's got. And I have to say, I am impressed. So make sure to hit that like button. Remember to share this video with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification button to be notified every time that I upload. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.